Black Tusk is an iconic peak between Squamish and Whistler. It is a pinnacle of black volcanic rock in the Garibaldi Range, with an exposed scramble up a chimney to reach the summit.
Now there's a couple cracks on Black Tusk which actually look like the right chimney up, and that's why I took the wrong one, which is around the corner. But the right crack right here, which leads to the chimney, is at the southmost point. It's at the southmost ridge right here, and it looks like this. But it's easy to get confused because it's not exactly clear from the bottom. This is the part where I can barely fit through with my backpack on. That's how narrow it is. Summit of Black Tusk. Here we are. Check out these views. The Squamish people's name, their name for Black Tusk means landing place of the Thunderbird, which is just such a cool name. I can understand why they named this landing place of the Thunderbird. It's just badass. Now it's landing place of the Luke bird. This has a 10 out of 10 view. I would say 11 out of 10 view. 360 degrees of mountains and glaciers and lakes, and even the Pacific Ocean. So the view up here is just brilliant.
But you know, it's mostly around this sort of system design and
I just can't get enough of this view. Just can't get enough. It's simply too good.